Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make group tabs in Opera GX. Now you can't do the same thing on something like the Chrome version of the group tabs, but what we can do instead is the Opera workspace. Now to do that, the first thing that we have to do is to enable workspace itself. So click on the settings, scroll down and then click on the go to full browser settings. Search for workspace and you want to make sure that the enable workspaces is turned on. After that, we then want to enable our sidebar. Just head over to the settings once more, scroll down, and then you want to make sure that the sidebar setting is enabled so this menu will show up. Right after, you then want to right click on the workspace right here, click on manage workspace, and then you can create a new workspace if you want to customize its name and its logo. In my case, I already have two workspaces, so I don't need to. So the next thing that we have to do is to open our tab that we want to group. For example, this one, I'll just right click on it, head over to the move to button, and then you want to choose your own workspace. So I'm going to choose my workspace 2. So from there, if we then navigate through our workspace, we can then see the grouped tabs right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.